Hello and welcome to the Backyard Machine Shop. Well, we survived Hurricane Matthew, and I'm standing here in the driveway of the house, and as you can see, there's just a few strewn limbs everywhere. We've had really no damage whatsoever here. However, people in our area have really got beat up bad. We've got power lines down, trees down. There's a tree in our church right in part of the nursery. It's bad. We expect to be out of power for the next 4 or 5 days. If you're seeing this, I've found somewhere I can upload a video. That's the only reason I haven't given updates so far. So I'm gonna get in the truck and we're gonna ride around and maybe shoot some video in some locations to give you an idea of what we've went through in our little community here. All right, so we're gonna ride around in the community and take some video and do a few other things. But we're okay here. We're just getting by, and no power. You might can hear the generator next door running. They have a generator going and a couple of freezers going, and so we've been able to put some of our food in their freezer, and a few other things that's going on. Standing here at this is the power line. I don't know if you can see it. You might can see the power poles, but this is the line that comes into our property. If you can see, we've cleared a lot of trees, or someone has cleared a lot of trees here. That's already been cleared, and then there's maybe 15 or 20 trees on the other side of the intersection there. But until this is cleared up, we're going to be without power for a few days. It's like this everywhere. I mean, and like I said, we didn't even catch the brunt of the storm. I've been riding around a little bit, and the only thing come close to being personal damage of ours was our church here. We had a relatively large pine tree. It fell through our Sunday school classrooms, and actually it fell right where the nursery is for the kids. So other than that, we've been pretty clean. Everything's starting to come back around here. There's crews working on the lines right down the road. I think Chatham County's opened back up, so we get a lot of traffic out on Highway 80, which is 100 yards to my left. We had 2 big trees come down. One fell down in the parking lot, and this one fell on our church. So other than that, everything's been good. Alright guys, I was sitting here recording at the church and we heard sirens going off, and it's been going on for a couple minutes now, but here comes the cavalry, if you want to say it. You just don't know how good it feels to see all these guys. We want to thank these guys. They're working their butts off trying to get us back power. Like I said, there must be already 50 trucks passed by. I don't see the end of them yet. So my hats off to you guys. I appreciate it. And thank you. Alright, these guys are looking at their trucks. They're from Arkansas Electric. So in the state of Arkansas, we thank you. Looks like they're headed into Effingham County. That's where my job is, so hopefully we'll be working in the next couple of days. Again, Arkansas Electric, thank you. They're down there on the power line down there. All right, guys. Well, I got a rare shot. I'm in between a split oak that fell here at our church, and I thought it would just be a good spot to show how massive this tree was. And this is normally where cars are parked, right in this area. Actually, people pile up all over the place right here. And now we got some good firewood. So hate to see this old tree go, but over the years she's been dropping a lot of limbs and things, so it may be a good thing that it's gone. It's got a lot of rot down in the bottom. You can see it was hollowed pretty good, and now she's no more. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I really appreciate the concern people have left us with, but again, there's a lot of areas that was hit a lot worse than we were here. I know we lost a couple people here in Bullitt County where trees fell on them, one in their house and one in their car. But for the most part, we survived well. We're just going to have to fight without power for the next couple of weeks or next couple of days, and probably clean up for the next few weeks. Hopefully everybody can get back to work and everything will start being normal. So, like I said in my other videos, if you can, contribute to the contribution boxes. There's people going to need water, food, and money. They got to rebuild this thing, and I haven't been to Chatham County yet, but I hear it's pretty bad. But like I said, all the way up the coast of Florida, through Chatham County and South Carolina, you know, our prayers are out with everyone that's suffering right now. It's a beautiful day, and God's good, and thank you for watching.